Hey, what's up? My name's Garrett. Welcome to Binging with Garrett. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just cooking dinner for myself. I was supposed to go on a date tonight. I was supposed to be there in about an hour and a half, but she bailed on me last minute. So let's cook a nice dinner. You might be asking, Garrett, what are you cooking today? I don't know. We're supposed to go to Italian. We'll see what I figure out. Let me look at my fridge. All right, so here's where we're at. I went through my fridge and I found that I have some chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little bit of garlic honey chicken. And then I have some white rice in my rice maker being made. You're probably like, Gary, is that a recipe on there? No, that is SpongeBob. Naughty Nautical Neighbors? No. Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy and pickles. All right, let's get this going. I'm gonna cut up some chicken. Just get this fat trimmed off. I'll just cut it off. Separate the tenderloin. Go right down the line. And I do want bites. Good enough. One. Now I know what you're thinking, Garrett, why are you a 20-year-old man watching SpongeBob on a computer? Because I want to, so if you have an issue with it, you can come fight me. And all cut up. I got my board all cleaned off. Use the knife, or as Josh does, the palm heel straight. Just gonna get these diced up. I just want to get everything prepped before I throw the chicken on. I'm not in too much of a rush. Damn, this old garlic. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm not perfect. I know, I look it, but I'm just kidding. You're like, Garrett, you're gonna chop your fingers. Why aren't you doing like the knuckles? Shut up. Maybe I want to cut myself. You don't know that. Alright, here's what we're going to do. Here's my sauce, some apple cider vinegar, honey, and a little bit of soy sauce. I noticed in this episode that it sort of seems like Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy have like erectile dysfunction because they've like been retired for so long. Like it was like do 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 do. Anyways, oh no. What was I doing? Oh yeah. We're just gonna coat the chicken in flour. What? I'm doing bites. That's not a bite. Cross-contamination. It's all gonna get cooked. I promise you that the little splatter that'll get on there is gonna get to 145 degrees for 30 seconds to kill the salmonella. Just gonna put them on here. What I did notice is, like, in this episode, it seems like usually in SpongeBob, like, Barnacle Boy's the one that's like old and ornery. Mermaid Man's an asshole too. Yeah, Mermaid Man's like he's not a nice guy, you know. While the pan's heating up, just if you like this, just me messing around, cooking dinner, just talking to myself, watching SpongeBob, you could just drop a comment down below and you know what you want to see me cook. You know, if you want it to be a little bit more informative, me explaining what I'm doing, or if you just want me cooking and then showing you afterwards how it looks, just let me know. Can I get some salt? We're all out. Can you check? No. Now, is this pan crowded? Yes. Is it going to get a good crust on it? Probably not. But I'm not doing 2 batches. Alright, I flipped the chicken. I did put some salt and pepper on it, just to give it a little bit of seasoning, even though we're going to get most of the flavor out of the sauce anyways. So, I did put, I mixed it up, and then I simmered it for a little bit, just to thicken it up so it coats the chicken a little bit. Alright. Wow, I finished. Well, good news. I finished pickles, so that was a good episode. I'm on the hall monitor. Another good news, I did finish. I did get the sauce to thicken. Here she is. If you guys like this video, leave a like, you know, comment down below what you want to see next time. Thank you.